Hey everyone, it's Nuri, and in today's video, we're going to be decorating my dining room tree, and I'm going to give you a little update on what we're doing in this room for Christmas. If you remember this wall back here, we used to have our photo gallery. We've removed all the frames, and I moved my mirror back here, and I'm going to put my Christmas tree up right here. I want the room to feel big, and by having the mirror here, I think it's going to make the room look a little bit wider, and then you're also going to get to see that reflection of the Christmas tree. It's going to look really beautiful. A little update on our dining room. We finally finished sanding these chairs. I thrifted these chairs over the winter time from Goodwill. I paid around $5 for each of these chairs. I have a total of 4. It took a long time to sand these chairs down, and we also made chair covers for it. I went with this gingham print right here because I thought it would complement the rug really well. The last step to finishing up these chairs is staining them. I picked up a gel stain from Lowe's, and I really want to get these done before Thanksgiving because we're going to have family over. I'm going to need all the chairs I can get. But let me know, do you think I should keep these 2 brown chairs on each of the end or just keep the 4 chairs? Let me know what you think. I'd love to get like 2 club chair or even wicker chair on each of the end of the table, but I'm not sure how it will look in this room. Before we decorate the Christmas tree, I thought I would share with you guys the ornaments and the pieces I plan on decorating this tree with. These glass teardrop ornaments are from Walmart this year. I have a total of 5, and these white ornaments, I got them from Walmart about 3 years ago, and I tied red ribbon around them. I have 2 different designs. This 2-tone ornament, I got this one from Home Goods a couple years ago. I just love the cap of this ornament. It's very unique. These red bell ornaments, I picked them up from Home Goods this year. It comes in a pack of 12. These pearl chandelier ornaments are my absolute favorite ornaments I own. I got these from Macy's about 6 years ago. The rest of these ornaments are mini ornaments from Dollar Tree. They came in a pack, I believe, of like 10 or 12 in a pack, and I just painted them white just so I could have a matte, aged look to it. I did this DIY a couple of years ago, but if you would like to see something like this again, let me know and I can recreate this look for you. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a tree topper for this tree because I just wanted to keep it very simple. It's my dining room tree. Remembered I had this lace hair clip, and I thought it would be perfect to use as a tree topper. I received this tree as a gift from King of Christmas. This is the Unlit King of Nobel fir tree, and I got it in the 7-foot. Today's my first time seeing this tree. Actually, I've been holding off on unboxing it so I could share this with you guys, and I am so excited. As soon as I lifted up that bubble wrap and I saw the branches, I was so excited to pull this out and just see it in this room. Also, I have never assembled a Christmas tree. My husband always does it, so this is going to be fun to see how I assemble this tree all by myself. This tree comes in 3 separate sections. It also comes with gloves. I have never bought a Christmas tree that came with gloves, so this is going to be fun to see how that works. It comes with a tree stand and a tree bag. Also, I've never had a tree that came with a bag, so these 2 are like a bonus. This tree that I chose from King of Christmas is a natural, lifelike looking tree. I love how there's spaces between the branches and it just looks very airy, something that you would actually see in nature. As I went to go grab the last part of the tree to assemble, I was feeling so proud of myself. I cannot believe I assembled this 7-foot tree all by myself, and I did not need a ladder or my husband to help. And then this happened. When it was time to pull down these branches, I couldn't. I think for the top part, I'm either gonna have to get a ladder or ask my husband to help because I clearly cannot reach that. While I wait for my husband to finish working, I thought I would test out these gloves and try to fluff out this tree. I wanted to see how well these gloves work. I was able to put my arm all the way inside the tree and fluff out the stems, and I did not get any scratches. I'm going to finish fluffing the tree in a minute. I want to share with you guys something. I'm going to completely forget about it. Let me share with you what I found recently. You guys already know what it is, but let me just go get it. I found him at Home Goods. He was a little pricey. He was $40. I did not think he would be this pricey, but I am so excited that my wish list is finally complete. I've been looking for him for the past 2.5 years, almost 3 years, and I'm so happy I found him. We should name this one. Should we call it Rocky because it's a rocking horse? Well, does it really rock? I don't think this rocks because it's the wheel. My other one rocks. Let me show you the other one I have. So now I have a total of 3 horses. I think I should show you all of my horses. Hold on, let me get the second one. Here's my other one. This one doesn't rock, but this one doesn't rock either. But it has like the metal base. I'm not sure how much I paid for this one. I got this one about 3 years ago too. But I was surprised. This one was $40. Like, look at the different sizes. And let me show you the bigger one I have. That's like the star of my horse collection. Here's the biggest one I have. This is the one that started the whole rocking horse collection, the wooden horse collection. I got this about 3 years ago. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I feel like these two, they're so pretty together. Yeah, I'm so happy I have these now. I have a whole collection. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this. I might sell this. I'm not sure. I'm gonna price this at a crazy price and nobody wants to buy it. And then my husband's gonna be like, I guess you have to keep it since no one wants to buy it. But yeah, I'm so excited. Here's my 3 horses. This should be like my thumbnail picture. I'm so happy. I don't even know. I'm out of words actually. I cannot believe I found this. I was on the hunt for this for like all Christmas last year. Then this year I started searching as soon as Christmas decor started coming out. And last Sunday I found this. I've been wanting to share with you guys, so finally get to share that with you. Alright, back to working on this tree. My husband is finally done with working and he could finally help me fix this tree up. I don't know why I'm dancing here. I think I was super excited. This knitted tree skirt, I got this one from Target a couple of years ago. And if you are looking for a tree skirt but don't want to buy one, you could always use a blanket or a scarf. It will still give that same look because you're just wrapping it around the base of the tree. More Christmas Decorate With Me videos are coming soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more videos from me. This is the hair clip that I'm using as my tree topper. You could also make your own bow to make a tree topper also. I have two different sizes of pearl garland. This one is a little slimmer, and this one I got it off of Facebook Marketplace. This is more of a bead look. I just want to drape this on the tree, but I don't know exactly what look I want to go for, so I'm just going to play around with it. The original plan was to have the pearls droop a little bit, but it seems a little hard, so we're gonna have the bigger ones droop, and then the skinnier one we're just gonna wrap around the entire tree so it looks like twinkle lights. I originally wanted to use both of these pearl garlands on the tree, but you'll see towards the end that I just went with the skinnier garland. I have never recorded myself actually decorating Christmas tree, so when I was looking back at these videos, I noticed that I just randomly placed the ornaments and I don't really have any tips on how to place them. So if you have some to share with me, I would love to learn, because I've noticed that over the years when I'm putting the ornaments on the tree, I will go back and fix them because I noticed the placement just doesn't seem right, and I would love to get it right the first time. So I would love to learn some of your tips or just hear your experiences when it comes to decorating Christmas tree so I can learn from you too. Since this is an unlit tree and I wanted some type of light, I decided to get these clip-on candlesticks from Amazon. It comes in a pack of 12 and I picked up 2 sets. and they were around $16 a pack. I mainly got these for the base. I think they're so pretty, and I just love that gold with the scallop details that goes around it. These candlesticks are battery operated, and it comes with a remote, so it's easy to turn them on. Sadly, I forgot to buy batteries. I only had enough for one candle, so I'm going to show you what that looks like on the tree. I thought I would give you guys a little look at how this tree looks during the morning time. Thanks again to King of Christmas for this beautiful tree. I will have this tree linked in my description. Again, this is the Unlit 7-foot King Nobel fir tree. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys soon for another one. Bye for now.